Top 6 fish every diabetic should eat. Did you know that just eating fish once a week can reduce your risk of heart disease by 40%? That's huge for diabetics, where heart health is already a major concern. Fish is actually a powerhouse of nutrients that can improve your heart, nerve, and overall diabetes health with better A1C control. So today we're diving into the top 6 best fish for diabetics. These fish aren't just good, they're packed with a special type of protein, fats, and nutrients that can make a real difference for diabetics. They help with insulin sensitivity, cholesterol levels, and improve deficiencies for important vitamins and minerals. Let's break down which fish are the best choices and how they can help you with diabetes. Stick till the end, as well as provide important tips in each of the options. Let's get started. 1. Tuna. Tuna is one of the best fish you can eat if you have diabetes. A 100-gram, 3.5-ounce serving of tuna is packed with nutrients that are great for diabetics. It gives you 25 grams of protein, which is half of what you need in a day. Great for keeping you full and preventing blood sugar spikes. It has 1.5 to 2.5 grams of omega-3s, which lower bad cholesterol and improve circulation. You also get 30% of your daily vitamin D, which keeps your bones strong and helps insulin work better. Vitamin B12 is super high at 200% of your daily needs, supporting energy and nerve health. It's also rich in selenium, 70% of your daily needs, which helps regulate blood sugar and boosts immunity. Iron, 10% of your daily needs, helps prevent fatigue by keeping oxygen flowing in your blood. With just 110 to 130 calories, it's low in calories but packed with nutrients, making it a great option for weight control. Best of all, it has 0 carbs, so it won't raise blood sugar. Tuna is also one of the easiest fish to include in your diet. Make a simple tuna sandwich, but use whole grain bread instead of white to keep blood sugar stable. Swap mayo for cottage cheese to cut unhealthy fats and add extra protein. If you want something light, toss tuna into a salad, wrap it in a whole grain tortilla, or serve it with steamed veggies for a quick balanced meal. It's perfect for meal prepping since it stays fresh in the fridge for a few days. Now, not all tuna is the same. Fresh tuna is the best, but if you're buying canned, choose tuna packed in water instead of oil to avoid extra fats. Also, watch out for mercury levels. Big eye tuna is high in mercury, so it's best to avoid it. Instead, go for light tuna or skipjack tuna, which have lower mercury levels and are safe to eat more often. Tuna is an easy, delicious way to keep your blood sugar steady, protect your heart, and get the nutrients your body needs. If you're not eating it yet, you should start. 2. Salmon. If you have diabetes, this fish is one of the best things you can eat. A 100-gram serving of salmon gives you 22 grams of protein, which is almost half of what you need in a day. That helps keep you full, prevent blood sugar spikes, and support muscle health. The omega-3 fatty acids, 2.3 grams to 2.6 grams, in this help reduce inflammation, lower bad cholesterol, and keep your heart healthy. Less inflammation means better insulin sensitivity, and that means more stable glucose levels. But it doesn't stop there. You get 90% of your daily vitamin D, which keeps bones strong and helps insulin work better. It also provides 50% of your vitamin B12, which boosts energy and supports nerve health, and 75% of your selenium needs, which helps regulate blood sugar and strengthen immunity. Iron, 4%, keeps oxygen flowing in your blood, reducing fatigue, while its 180 calories give you steady energy without blood sugar spikes. Best of all, it has 0 carbs, so it won't raise blood sugar at all. This fish comes from cold waters, living in both freshwater and saltwater. The best wild-caught versions come from Alaska, Norway, Canada, and the Pacific Northwest. Wild-caught is better because it has more omega-3s and fewer contaminants, but frozen is just as good if stored properly. If you like smoked fish, just watch out for sodium because too much can raise blood pressure. It's also super easy to cook. Bake it with olive oil and herbs, grill it for a smoky taste, or toss it into a salad with avocado. If you want something warm, try a stir-fry with broccoli and bell peppers for a quick nutrient-packed meal. A few things to watch out for. Wild-caught is the best choice. Farm-raised is fine if it's from a good source. If you're eating smoked fish, go easy on the sodium. And like anything, balance is key. Mix it up with other healthy foods for the best results. If you're diabetic and not eating this fish regularly, you're missing out on one of the best ways to protect your heart, balance your blood sugar, and support your overall health. Third, herring. Herring is one of the best fish you can eat if you have diabetes. A 100-gram, 3.5 ounces, serving of herring gives you 19 grams of protein, 38% of your daily needs, which lower appetite, prevent sugar spikes, and improve muscle health. It's rich in omega-3 fatty acids, 2 grams, which deal with inflammation and bad cholesterol, making it great for diabetes heart health. You also get 90% of your daily vitamin D, which help with diabetes bone pain and insulin sensitivity. Vitamin B12 is super high at 200% of your daily needs, great for energy and nerve health. It's also loaded with selenium, 80% of your daily needs, great for immunity. Iron, 8% of your daily needs, keeps oxygen flowing in your blood to prevent fatigue, while its 158 calories give you long-lasting energy without sugar spikes. Best of all, it has 0 carbs, so it won't raise blood sugar. Herring comes from cold ocean waters with major fishing spots in Norway, Canada, the North Sea, and the Baltic Sea. It's a saltwater fish, though some species move into brackish water. You'll find it fresh, smoked, pickled, or canned, but the best choices for diabetics are fresh or lightly smoked to avoid too much sodium. Pickled herring is tasty but can be high in salt and sometimes sugar, which isn't great if you're watching your blood pressure or blood sugar. Canned herring is fine too. Just go for one packed in water instead of oil, and check the label for added ingredients. Cooking it is simple. Grill it with lemon and garlic for a light, flavorful meal. Toss it into a Mediterranean salad with cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, and a little feta for something fresh. Add it to a vegetable soup to boost protein and omega-3s in a warm, comforting dish. It also pairs well with quinoa or brown rice, making for a balanced, diabetes-friendly meal. A few things to watch out for. Herring is low in mercury, so you can eat it often, but 2 to 3 servings a week is a good balance. Pickled and heavily smoked versions can be high in sodium, so be mindful if you have high blood pressure. If you have fish allergies or sensitivities, be careful. Otherwise, herring is a nutrient-packed, affordable fish that supports heart health, blood sugar control, and overall well-being, a great choice for diabetics. 4. Sardines. Sardines are one of the best fish you can eat if you have diabetes. The biggest reason: a 100-gram serving of sardines provides 25 grams of protein, 50% of your daily needs, 2 grams omega-3 fatty acids. They contain 35% calcium, 100% vitamin D, 200% vitamin B12, and 70% selenium of your daily needs, and this is huge for diabetics. They also provide 15% iron and 10% magnesium of your daily needs. With only 180 calories and 0 carbs, they provide long-lasting energy without raising blood sugar. Sardines are also rich in coenzyme Q10, CoQ10, which improves heart function and protects against nerve damage. They even contain potassium, which helps lower blood pressure and improve insulin sensitivity. Now, where do they come from? Sardines are saltwater fish, mostly found in the Atlantic, Mediterranean, and Pacific Oceans, with major fishing regions in Portugal, Spain, Morocco, and Japan. You can buy them fresh, smoked, or canned, but for diabetics, fresh or canned in water is the best choice. Canned sardines are super convenient, but some brands add too much salt, and it's important to go for low-sodium versions. Sardines in tomato sauce are a good option too, since lycopene in tomatoes helps lower inflammation. They're easy to cook and taste great if done right. Grill them with lemon and herbs for a fresh, smoky flavor. Toss them into a Mediterranean salad with cucumbers, tomatoes, and feta for a light, refreshing meal. If you want something warm, sardine and vegetable stew is a great way to add nutrients while keeping the flavors rich. Or for a quick and easy meal, mash canned sardines with avocado and lemon and spread it on whole grain toast. It's full of healthy fats and fiber to keep blood sugar steady. A few things to watch out for. Canned sardines can be salty, so if you have high blood pressure, stick to fresh or low-sodium versions. If you have gout or kidney issues, Don't overdo it because sardines contain purines, which can raise uric acid levels. If you struggle with small bones, go for boneless sardines, though the bones are actually loaded with calcium if you can handle them. 5. Tilapia. Tilapia is a solid choice if you have diabetes. It's low in fat, high in protein, and has zero carbs, so it won't spike blood sugar. It's also widely available, making it an easy option for quick, healthy meals. This fish is mostly found in fresh water, living in lakes, rivers, and ponds. It's one of the most farmed fish in the world, especially in Asia, Africa, and Central and South America. Because it grows fast and adapts easily, you can find it fresh or frozen in almost any grocery store. One of its biggest benefits is its fiber content, which helps lower the risk of arterial hypertension by keeping blood vessels in good shape and regulating cholesterol. Most fish don't contain fiber, but tilapia is an exception. It's also rich in antioxidants like vitamin E and vitamin C, which fight inflammation and protect cells from damage. Since chronic inflammation worsens insulin resistance and increases the risk of heart disease, getting these nutrients is important. A 100-gram serving of tilapia gives you about 7% of your daily vitamin E and around 2% of vitamin C, helping to protect your body from oxidative stress. Another reason tilapia is great for diabetics is its selenium content, a mineral that plays a role in blood sugar balance and insulin function. Just one serving provides about 80% of your daily selenium needs, which helps keep glucose levels stable and supports overall metabolic health. When buying tilapia, fresh is the best option, especially when it comes from responsible farms with clean water. Frozen tilapia is also fine, but check for added preservatives or sodium. Some farmed tilapia, especially from poorly regulated sources, may contain contaminants, so look for U.S. farmed, Ecuadorian, or naturally raised tilapia rather than fish from overcrowded farms. Tilapia is easy to cook and works with almost any seasoning. A simple way to prepare it is lemon garlic baked tilapia. Season with garlic, lemon juice, and olive oil, then bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, for 15 to 20 minutes. Serve it with roasted vegetables or quinoa for a balanced meal. Another great option is grilled tilapia with herbs, marinated in olive oil, fresh herbs, and a squeeze of lime, then paired with steamed greens or brown rice. For something quick, try a tilapia and vegetable stir-fry. Lightly pan-fry it in avocado oil, then toss it with bell peppers, onions, and zucchini. Serve over cauliflower rice for a low-carb meal. Even though tilapia has a lot of benefits, there are a few things to watch out for. It's naturally low in omega-3 fatty acids, unlike fish like salmon or herring, which are much better for heart health. Some farm-raised tilapia have higher omega-6 fatty acids, and too much of that can promote inflammation. To get the best results, choose high-quality tilapia and mix it with other omega-3 rich fish throughout the week. 6. Mackerel. Mackerel is one of the best fish for diabetes. It's loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which help protect your heart, lower bad cholesterol, and improve insulin function. A 6-ounce serving of Pacific mackerel gives you about 3.2 grams of omega-3s, which is enough to lower triglycerides and boost good cholesterol, HDL. This means better circulation and a healthier heart. It's also packed with protein, iron, vitamin B12, niacin, riboflavin, and selenium. Protein slows digestion, keeping blood sugar steady after meals. Selenium helps regulate glucose levels and supports your immune system, and a single serving of mackerel provides about 80% of your daily selenium needs. There are two main types, Pacific and Atlantic mackerel. Pacific mackerel is often canned, making it convenient for quick meals. Atlantic mackerel is usually sold fresh and is low in mercury, so it's safe to eat often. Avoid king mackerel, though. It's high in mercury, which can affect blood sugar control and harm your nervous system. Mackerel is easy to cook. Grill it with lemon and garlic for a smoky flavor. Toss it into a salad with spinach and avocado for a fresh, nutrient-packed meal. Bake it with olive oil and herbs, or mix it into brown rice or whole wheat pasta for a hearty dish with protein and fiber. A few things to keep in mind. Some canned mackerel brands have too much salt, so if you have high blood pressure, choose low-sodium options. If you have gout or kidney issues, eat it in moderation because it contains purines, which can increase uric acid levels. If you're not eating mackerel, you're missing out on one of the best ways to protect your heart, stabilize blood sugar, and get key nutrients for overall health. There you have it, 6 of the best fish for diabetes. From omega-3 rich salmon to heart-healthy tuna, these fish help lower inflammation, improve cholesterol, and support blood sugar control. They're delicious, nutritious, and easy to add to your meals. For the best results, mix it up. Each fish offers different benefits, so don't stick to just one. These options make it easy to enjoy diabetes-friendly meals that keep you healthy while tasting great. What's your favorite fish to eat? Do you have any go-to recipes? Let me know. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss more tips on managing diabetes and living a healthier life. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.